Come on. Now, what was that about the bike?
I know. Good grief. You want to see what's up here?
Okay.
You think it's going to be okay?
Hmm?
Think it's going to be okay going up here? Woo. This is a workout. So, where does it go?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
I'm trying to think.
okay. Ooh, y'all. This is a workout. Ooh, what was I thinking? I probably should have taken the bridge. I know y'all hear me breathing in this. Okay. Woo. Woo. We just walking. Don't know where we going. Wow. He trying to remember from being a kid. But we're just walking. Look at that tree. It'll be on the ground because it's all infested. Okay, so we're on level ground. Oops. We on level ground now. So what kind of level? You see all these twigs in the ground. And so my breath isn't as laboring as it was earlier. But it's just gorgeous. That's the street down there. People's houses are beyond this on the other side. We're still walking. We got this drop to go through. So earlier we took that way. So now we're gonna take the bridge and see what's over the bridge. Ooh, these are steep. Oh. Okay. So this is the bridge. Oh, look at the stream. I'm hoping my little clumsy self don't drop my phone in here. But look at that. I almost want to take my shoes off and walk in it. Look. I know my husband's probably like, let's just walk. Ain't nobody got no time for this. It's muddy. If we knew we were going to do this, he wouldn't have worn tennis shoes, but I brought my hiking boots with me. So this trail is on the muddy side. We may have to turn around because he got on tennis shoes, but we'll see. So we got through all the mud. He thinks he can do it. There's the road alongside the park. Well, the trail, because the whole thing is Mill Creek Park. Look at that. Tree just snapped. Mm-hmm. It is recent. These ferns. You wonder if that's some of the ferns people got in their houses. I'm filming y'all, but I got my eyes on this trail because I sure don't want to fall. Look at this. Rocks. Start breathing hard again. Whew. Trail runs parallel to the highway. We're at the end almost, so I am going to let my hubby have a break because I know he just indulging me because he has on these little cute little tennis shoes. See? And so they're not for all of this. So here we back on the road.